Hi, fellas. Hi. We got ourselves, I made corned beef and cabbage last night. And pound for pound, when it comes to beef, corned beef is, I can't let face no corned beef is best deal in town. What do you get, around $3 a pound? It's corn. Remember I told you the briming? And it's all meat, man. And it's healthy. I've never gotten acid reflux from corned beef and cabbage. That was the water was in. I took it all out. I put it in here. After I ate it last night. Alright. Here's the beef. Can you see? Okay. It slices good when it's cold, by the way. I'm just showing you how to play it up on seconds. Leftovers. But it's so good. It's good for this. It's good for sandwiches. Pound for pound is the best deal. Best deal on course when you want beef. If you like it. Alright, there's some tricks on when you're doing it. Alright, so put in the water. Make sure when you put in the water, you open up the pack, you put in the water, when you cook it. Don't put the seasoning packet in, which is a pickling seasoning, until you've boiled it a little bit, and you can take off the water scum on top. Then you take that off. Then you put the pickling spices in there. And then you shut it down, and you put it on a simmer. After about 3 hours of simmer, I put in the potatoes and the carrots for the next hour. Now, mind you, it's on a simmer. You're not boiling potatoes, you're simmering potatoes. Plus, I'm up about 1,300 feet from sea level, so I have to adjust for that. So everything's fine. I take out the meat, I take out the potatoes and the carrots, and then the hot water, I put in the cabbage, bring it to a boil, set it down on a simmer again, cover it, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Then I'm ready to go. And then I plated it up, and that was what I did last night. But now I'm playing up for the second time. Okay? Let me sharpen this. So, it's so good the second night like the first night. Plus I can make sandwiches with it. Alright? It's just good. I make sure you have a sharp knife, fellas. Alright? It's real easy to cut now. Where's the potato? It's real easy to cut now. Alright? Real easy to cut. Alright? Make some nice slices. See how we're going against the grain. Alright, nice. These will be perfect with sandwiches, which I'm gonna have. The missus wants another. Oh, maybe I will too. Look at this, look at this. Are you kidding me? Can you see me? Alright. Look at this. Look how easy it is. Just be careful. On the way down, it's a tendency for the knife to go back this way, and you don't get the nice, perfect cut, alright? So you should be conscious of your cutting, alright? On the way down. Because it's going to want to go back out. And then out, see? How about that? How about that, fellas, huh? How about that? Talk about sandwiches. Okay, let me plate this up. There's a few tricks I'm playing up. Alright, mind you, no one knows. No one knows, okay? I don't want to give it a big potato. Alright, anyway. What are we going to do here? Hold on a second, fella. And then you quarter the cabbage, by the way. You quarter it, and then you put it in the sauce. Okay, now when you're going to do this, you gotta, that's a big piece. Oh, she likes it. She likes it. That's a big piece. Okay. Put it like that. See, that butter's gonna get on in there. Get a real good look. Okay, there you go. Now we get a potato. Okay, let's get some carrots in here. See that, boys? Why do you think I'm so healthy, huh? What do you think? Oh, God, all the potatoes are big. All right. You want a big potato, Ma? No, huh? Okay. And then, how about that? Boom. You're going to get it anyway. So, okay. Put that in there, all right? Now, the trick is, this takes a while to heat up. And I don't want to ruin the meat. I don't want to overcook the meat. See how beautiful? Look at that marbling. You see that? You see that, man? I don't know if I should have this or sandwich. I plan to make a nice sub, you know, corned beef sandwich. You know what I'm talking about? Nice pickle on the side. We'll see. I'll make one up in here so you can see it. All right. Okay, butter, babies. Don't be scared to use butter, man. Butter won't kill you. Now margarine was a non-petroleum-based gear grease for subs. Do you understand that? They just figured if they put a little yellow coloring with it, you people would eat that. But it ain't not good for you, alright? Alright, let me put this in the microwave. I give that about 2-3 minutes. I'll give it a look at 2, see what happens. Alright? So that's how it keeps. Oh, I love this cabbage, man. Cabbage is good for you. Now, there's another corned beef and cabbage that you make with this kind of corned beef and cabbage. And you fry it up. I should try to do that one. You fry it up in the pan. Then you slice the cabbage. You know, slice it like almost like a coleslaw slice. And you throw it all on top and then you steam it down. And then salt and pepper, a little garlic powder, and you put it on rice. Now, these are cool. You should have them in your bug out setup. You understand what I'm saying? This one expires 2025. It was less than $3. And it's 12 ounces of solid meat. I got tons of these in my house. I want my sardines. They come in different sizes. Here's another one. Okay. Let me get this so you can see it, okay? Always have these as backup, man. And they got a lot of protein, man. A lot of protein. Alright? A lot of protein for these things. Let me see here. So I got the little thing, and there you go. Ding, 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 ding. Okay. And you got 14 grams and 6 servings. So that's 60 and 24. 74 grams of protein right here. Less than $3. Okay? Think it through, fellas. Think it through. This ain't nothing what I got over here. You know, the food. I got more. Tons. And then at my house, I got tons. But always, you know, canned goods last a while. Alright, let's in this one expire. I don't even know. 2025, man. I'm ready. Come on. Let's get it on. Alright, this thing is almost done. Okay, now I'll put some nice slices in here. Okay, let me set it up nice. Because I like the mustard. That's good for the sandwich. Okay, there we go. I like it. I like it looking. I like to see that fat. She does too. How's that? Does it look alright, fellas? You think so? Okay, now give it 30 seconds. And there you go. A nice, what do you call it? Leftovers meal. This keeps real good. It's easy to make. When you do make it, it's one pot meal. You have to understand, if I showed you how to do it, I have to pause it for 3.5 hours. This machine ain't going to do that. It's as simple as boiling it. Usually about an hour a pound. Not boiling it. Once you bring it to the boil, then you take off the surface scum, then you bring it down to a simmer. You understand? You simmer it. Like this is like 3.5 pounds, so 3.5 hours. But I let it go further because of the altitude we live at. A little more, Charlie, a little more. And that's it. I don't know what I'm going to eat. I don't want to eat. I'm losing weight real fast, people. I'll talk about that too. Some other things I've found out about weight losing. Oh yeah, and then you got to put the good stuff on it. I really wanted a corned beef sandwich. I really wanted a corned beef sandwich, fellas. I got the nice hero bread, you know what I mean? Right from the bakery, fellas. Right from the bakery. All right, from the bakery, boys. But this is good too. That cabbage and that mustard and the carrots, you can't go wrong. I don't know. We'll see. I'll make a sandwich with that with lettuce on it. Anyhow. Yeah, give me a second. So what else can I talk about? What else can I talk about? Yeah, thanks for the whatever, the comments and all. Yeah, I'm getting these royalty strikes, but they're not really strikes, so what do I care, right? They're saying, yeah, just they got to get the money for the ads. Just knock yourself out. Somebody's got to get some money. I'm getting on YouTube for free, right? Beautiful. That's beautiful, fellas. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I like it here. I like the mustard between the meat and the cabbage. Now you have to understand this cabbage had butter all over it, but you wanna serve, even though you gave it a lot of butter, you wanna serve it so they see some, you know. It don't matter how much you melted on it. It don't matter. You put 10 pounds in there. They wanna see some butter dripping. You know what I'm saying? Because it's butter, fellas. Butter is. Oh man, I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. Let me give it a little bit of that. You know I gotta put my black pepper on it. Oh good, look at that beautiful. Okay, do your thing. Do your thing. What's his name? YouTube. Boom, bang, zing. Okay. Alright. There you go. There you go. Alright, fellas. Yeah, I'm hold it. I'm gonna put it on pause. I'm gonna come back. Alright, here you go, Ma. Did you get silverware? You didn't get nothing. Come on. Oh, she's on the plane? Alright. Oh, I got jet set children. I'm over here. You know, a little house on the woods or something. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so now I gotta wrap this back up. That should be enough for a sandwich. I would think. Kind of give me one slice more. Another slice. Let's be greedy. Let's be greedy, fellas. Yeah, okay. I like it thin. You know, you have the machine at the... It was a real nice corned beef deli in Times Square. You know, where the actors would go there and stuff, and I used to go there. Oh, man. They pack that rye bread up there with that thin slice. They do with the machine. What would I do without tinfoil, huh, fellas? So this is good for at least 2 more meals. I should slice it up. Did you want me to slice up the rest of the full corned beef?
No, because then it gets less juicy.
Alright, you'll be able to do it or whatever?
No.
Alright. Come here. Say hi. Well, can we do this without making the world look bad? Say hi, sweetie.
Hi.
Okay, back to my food channel here. This is the low rent show, fellas, you know. Okay. I'm gonna microwave this. I like a warm corned beef sandwich of mustard. You got rye bread, there's nothing wrong with that. Alright. Where's that thing? Yeah, heck with it. Should be right. Now I'm gonna try 30 seconds, see what happens. In the meantime, hang out. Where you going? Boy, YouTubers can't wait 2 minutes. Gotta go down to the next show. Oh, yeah. Oh, we. Man. Hang out. Where you going? You been reading books? You ain't been reading books. You know, I hear it. Are you kidding me? No, not yet. Okay. Hang out, fellas. Trying to find my mind. I gotta find my mind. I lost my mind. Okay, there you go. Losing weight fast too. I'm gonna have to do one on that. Good. Okay. All right. Okay. I want a sandwich. I want a sandwich. Now, what do I want to do? Do I want this way? Or do I want this way? Which way should I do it, fellas? That's big bread, man. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. Alrighty. this back. I keep that stuff in the oven. I got tons. Okay, this goes here, this goes here. That's from the last side. I'm not doing that, man. Who does that? Who does that? Not me. Yeah, it is me, most likely. Okay. There we go. Okay. Done with that. So, like I say, this corned beef is best bang for the buck. You know, you can cook it, you know. You can make sandwiches with it. You can have it again. You can have corned beef and eggs. You can do so much with that corned beef, man. Alright? Okay. Nothing to this. This is easy work. This is easy work. I'm going to push it down, though. I could toast it, but that's right now. Here we go. What's the top or bottom? Bottom. Here we go. Here we go, fellas. Look at this. Look. 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 Can you see that? Is it better there? Or better? Where's the better? Where's the light? There you go. Look. 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 Look at that. Look at that there. Oh, man. What else do you need? Good bread. Mustard. Right? Come on. Come on. How come you're so strong, old man? What do you think? What do you think? What do you think I eat? Alright. So the best bang for the buck, okay? Cost was, I don't remember, 15 bucks, but it's solid meat. There's more than enough for another whole meal here for 2-3 people, alright? I like this, okay. Come on, baby. Sharpen the good. See, I sharpen that knife? Let's hope it works. There you go. Oh, man. Oh, that's how you do it. That's it. Okay, yeah, you made me look bad on TV now. Made me look bad on TV. Don't tell him, okay, yeah. Put the mustard on there. Okay. Couple pickles over there. There you go. Look, fellas. Can you see it? I don't know what's the best way to show this. Show this off. Okay. This is how you show it off. How about that, fellas? How about that? How about that, fellas, huh? Protein food. Food. Okay. Look at that. Eat that end off there. Look, look. Look, 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 look. Can you see me eat that? You have no idea the flavor. That's it. Okay, pal, I'm gonna let you go. I'll be at the gym this week. Some other things I gotta talk to you about. Alright? Leftover night. Corned beef and cabbage. Easy to warm up. Just remember the trick. Don't put the meat onto the potatoes and the cabbage and the carrots warm. They take a while. Meat takes a minute tops. So I did this. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy. You think they'd take a picture? You think YouTube would take that? YouTube, take the shot. Okay. Bye-bye, fellas. Bye-bye. Eat well. Live long. Bye-bye.